I have a new package! Unboxing ang daming skincare. Hi guys! Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. And I just arrived home from Better Together Conference. Time Out Weekend Cebu Edition. Ilan couples. And I received a package! Ta-da-dan! And I still don't know kung kanino to galing. Tingnan natin. Oh, kay sis Mylene pala. From Sopladita. Fair Skin Products. Oh my god, I'm super excited to open this one. So I'm going to open this one together with you. I just arrived home, guys. Kakauwi ko lang talaga. So, ang dami nito, sis May. Super thankful. Tingnan natin. Merong, ano to? Misaki 2.0. Naka-bubble wrap, pero walang laman. Ano to siya? Ito, hindi ko pa rin to alam. Merong Misaki Tooth Tuna. Tapos, meron din ito. And, ang dami nito, guys. Meron pang ito. Ang dami, sis May. Thank you naman po. Ang dami. So, isa-isa natin tong i-open. Ang daming skincare products, guys. Nakakalola. By the way, guys, today, kung napapansin nyo, yung mukha ko, first time ever, nag-apply ako ng product sa face ko na nagpipil, oh my god, sa lahat ng araw. Itong araw pa talagang to na merong conference, tapos nagpipil off. Alam nyo ba, ang mga tao nagtitinginan sa akin, bakit anong nangyari sa mukha ko? Diyos ko, bes. But then, wala akong magawa kasi nag-review ako ng products. Eh, alam nyo naman na talagang itatry ko talaga yung products na yan kung effective sa akin. Pero, I was super shocked kasi first time nga akong gumamit ng product. I'm super careful with the products I use kasi ayoko talagang nagpipil off ako in front ng maraming tao. So, tama ng chit-chat, i-open na natin to. Ang laman nito ay ang Misaki soap. Super White. 20 times Supreme Whitening Soap with enhanced glutathione and kojic. Anong nangyari sa aking ring light? Wow, yan. Next, i-open natin, i-touch. Talagang ipapakita ko sa inyo to, guys. Kasi naman, mahal ko kayo. Ganyan ko kayo kamahal. Malapit na tayong mag-2,000. If mag-2,000 tayo, mag-giveaway na naman ako. Oh my God. Pasensya na sa mga kapitbahay ko kung maingay ako. Tudlong. Oh, ito, Misaki Power Lotion. So, Misaki Power Lotion, 20 times Supreme Whitening Booster with SPF 95, antibacterial, and moisturizing. And ito, para siyang set. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, bes. I-open na natin kasi baka malubat ako. Wala na tayong choice. Dami na nating skin. Oh, merong Misaki 2.0 Rejuvenating Facial Cream. Ito, Misaki 2.0 Rejuvenating Facial Toner. Wow, ang dami ko ng toner. Misaki 2.0 Collagen Facial Soap with Hyaluronic Acid. Yan. Set yata to nila. And lastly, sa package na ito, Misaki 2.0 Premium Collagen Foundation with Sunblock SPF 30. Foundation. Lumalaban. May foundation na si Sis May. YouTuber din sila, guys. You need to follow them as well. All their links will be listed down below. So, follow them, guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakafollow, malalaman nyo yung sinasabi ko. Nagtitinda sila ng sariling product nila to. So, another set. Meron pang another set. Okay, wow! Misaki Facial Toner. Toner pa rin to. Oh, dalawang set pala to, guys. Oh my God. We will be having a giveaway for this. Oh my God. So, another facial soap hydraulic. Yan. Another foundation, sunblock. At saka, facial cream. Dalawang set siya. So, what we're going to do, i-giveaway natin tong isa. Lastly, merong SPF 65. OMG, ano to? Power Bleach! Slimming and anti-cellulite. So far, I don't know how to use this one pa. We're going to do a review each of these products. So, i-combine natin yung soap, facial nila, at saka yan. So, that's it guys for this unboxing. Ang daming skincare. Try natin to pagkatapos kong i-review to. Salamat sa panunood ng aking abrupt na unboxing sa mga facial skincare. Again, thank you so much sis Mai for this blessing. And for the giveaway guys, I will be giving away one set of, kasi dalawang set yung binigay ni sis Mai sa akin. I will be giving away Misaki soap, rejuvenating facial cream, one toner, and one collagen foundation. So, all you need to do is to check the mechanics on the description box. And that's it. Bye-bye! See you soon in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye-bye! Sarake! Mwah.